In this chapter, we'll be talking about layout in React. So layout in React is basically it's a layout or where you can find reusable components like navbar, something like this, right? In every pages of the application. So what layout does is it helps to speed up the application development because we don't have to write code for navbar in every pages, right? So we can do it in just one file. So before making layout, let's first of all remove this home route, all right? So let's remove this from here. And also let's remove this app file. So let's now make a layout. For that, we have to go to src and let's make a new file, layout/mainlayout.jsx. And let's now create a simple functional component. So let's now change this to box from Chakra UI and Chakra UI, and this box is gonna be our layout now, right? And inside of here we'll have first of all navbar. All right, so let's comment navbar, and we'll have outlet, which is actually from React router. We'll need to import it from React router, and this outlet basically is a placeholder for nested route. All right, that means it'll basically represent the pages where our layout is applied to. So we will understand that in a while. First, let's make a navbar. All right, let's give it a position as fixed and top as 0 and also left as 0 and width as 100 view width. So let's now create a route for this main layout. All right, so here in the top, let's create a route like that, and let's keep path as a root route with this slash, and in the element we'll have this main layout that we just created, and after that we'll have a children. All right, so children basically mean the nested routes. All right, so we'll put this root route and register in the children of this main layout. So basically this hello world and register route are gonna be outlet for the main layout. So these two pages are gonna have navbar without writing code for navbar in these pages automatically. So let's now change this to text first of all, and let's give it a color as white. And let's now do one thing. Let's go to register, and from there also let's change text color as white like that. And let's now remove this app from main.jsx, and also let's remove this app from index.jsx, and that's it. And as you can see in the register route, we have successfully implemented layout. Let's now go to the main layout file and let's change style. So let's give color to navbar as white, and let's also change background for this box. And for that, I'll be going to my GitHub repo, and I'll be putting a link in the description of this video. And this is going to be a very simple CSS. You'll easily understand this. They're just width, height, background, display, something like that. All right, so it's very simple to understand, like that. And as you can see, we have successfully implemented this main layout in our register and also in this root route. Let's now create this real navbar component with these links and buttons. So let's now go to src and there create a folder called components and then file navbar.jsx. And for this component, I'll be just copying everything from my GitHub repository because this is going to be very simple UI with just links and buttons. That's why I'm not, explaining much for this component. You'll easily understand it. So let's remove this return first of all, and in this return section, let's copy this box until here, and let's paste it over here. And also let's copy this imports from top to this React router DOM, and let's paste at the top. And in main layout.jsx, let's go to main layout.jsx. Let's remove this navbar and let's use this navbar we just created. And I think we forgot to export. So yeah, let's add export over here, and let's now import that navbar. So yeah. And let's check it out, and there you go. There's an error, so import React router DOM. So let's go to this one and let's change this one to React router. And also here in the image src, you'll find the image in my GitHub repository. I'll be putting a link in the description, so you can just download it from here and put this in assets as this name or any other name, so you can put it over here. And the last thing, in this navigation buttons, let's first of all remove everything. Let's copy this wrapper, all right, and then remove everything inside of the edge stack, all right, until this add stack, remove everything, and just paste those links, register and login. So inside this add stack, we'll be just putting this two links, login and register. So let's check it out, and there you go. And let's add our code to Git. So git add all, git commit -m with message, Chakra UI setup, React router setup, and main layout, like that, and git push. And I'll see in the next chapter where we'll start building our register page.